Hey, I wanted to just make a quick video plugging my new book. I built an online book and it's still an alpha version. It's in development, but it's on sequence language models and deep learning and genomics. And that's such a fast moving field that it feels sort of like ancient to wait for the entire book to be fully complete, to be fully spell corrected. I'm a scientist. I write a lot for work, but I'm not a native speaker and I'm dyslexic, so you'll find your fair share of spelling errors. And so this book covers, you know, DNA language models, deep learning models like AlphaFold, but mostly more simple models that sort of train on protein structure or protein sequences or DNA sequences, and that are useful for people like me who may have a background in genetics but aren't that familiar with language models. And so basically, the book is based on my study notes from me trying to catch up to a frontier in protein language models over the last 18 months. And so it has 9 annotated chapters with code examples. They're illustrated. They cover diverse topics. 6 chapters on DNA models. Then there's 5 chapters on protein models, and there'll be another 6 chapters I'm working on right now on further types of deep learning models. And the book comes with fully illustrated like chapters. There's an abstract at the top of each. There's like illustrations of what we're discussing. In this chapter, we're discussing things related to attention and protein contact maps. There's like mathematics, right? So these are the expressions explaining attention. It's referenced like a scientific paper, though this isn't a scientific paper and it's still in development. The book chapters also all come with a link to the scripts, and they're on GitHub. So all the scripts we discuss, sometimes we'll have snippets in the chapters, but the full scripts are available as well. Where that's necessary, the scripts will also be available as like a Google Colab, so you can like run them dynamically and like test them out and see how they work. And all the models that the scripts produce, they're on Hugging Face, so you can download the models if you don't have the capacity to train the models, or you don't have the time to wait for a model to train overnight. Then you can work with the models. So the models aren't anywhere near cutting edge. They're illustrative and they're educational, and they're just a product of what we discuss in the chapter. So if you want to learn more, if this is for you, you can find it at biobook.science.michel. I'll link in the description below. And I'm very eager for your feedback. Every chapter has a comment function uh, where you can log in and just comment on the chapter, and we can discuss, and you can point out errors to me or things I got wrong, and we can discuss sort of the concepts discussed in the chapter. Okay, thank you for your attention. Check it out and let me know what you think.